Welcome everyone to this video. In this video, we'll be looking at how to apply the duotone effect to any image in Photoshop. It's going to be a fun one, so let's just get right into it. So first, let's understand what is duotone. So duotone is basically anything that is made up of only two colors, and in this case, images. So now let's start. So first, let's go to the adjustment layers and then choose a gradient map right here. So mine is just fine, but if yours looks something like this, you just have to click on reverse and it will look like a black and white image. Then we have to click here, just in the middle or anywhere, and here we can choose the colors. So you can choose any color that you want, but I'll be showing the popular ones, which are green and blue and orange and blue. So we'll be doing that. So let's just click here. So you have to click here on this. It is called a color stop. You can just hover on it and here you can see color stop. So now we'll go to color and then we have to pick a green. So I think it's green like this. Whoops. So I'm here altering the shadows. So green is a light color and blue is a dark color, and we'll be using the light color for the highlights. So I'm gonna go to the white color stop and then pick green for that. So here you can see like green like this. I think this is alright, so I'm just gonna hit OK. And now let's go to the black color stop. Just hit here, color, and then we'll pick a blue color, for example this one. So I think we're pretty much done. So this is what duotone is, but if you want to make it a little bit more advanced, we can do that. So here we can see with an adjustment layer we have a mask. So what we can do is we can go to the brush tool and then we can increase the brush size to about this much, and we can go here and then increase the hardness to about 100%. So you can go here on this arrow and then do it, or you can just right click anywhere on your screen and then adjust the hardness. And now I think I'll just decrease the size a little bit, and now you can see we can just click anywhere on the screen, for example here. So some part of the image is like in the duotone color and some part is not, so we can do that. Or we can just go to the rectangular marquee tool like this. So I've just selected some area right here and I'm gonna select the mask and then go to the brush tool and then just paint black in this area. And here you can see half of the image is in duotone color and half of the image is normal. So now let's move on to the second image. So before doing anything, I'm just gonna crop the image. Let's go to the crop tool and crop all this area to about here, and we're gonna crop all this ground, and I think we're pretty much done. Let's hit enter and the image is cropped. So now I'll just go to the adjustment layers, go to the gradient map, hit reverse so that the image looks like a black and white image. Click anywhere on this rectangle and go to the white color stop for the highlights, which is gonna be green like this. And I just remembered that I forgot to show you the orange and blue scheme in the previous image. So now let's do that. So let's go to orange and let's pick a light orange like this. I think this is a good color. And now let's go to the black color stop. Let's go to color and pick the blue color. So I think this is good. So this is also looking pretty good, but I like the green and blue scheme more. So I'm just gonna pick green again. So here it is, the green, and we're gonna pick the green color. So I think this is Okay, so now I'm just gonna hit okay, okay, and our duotone image is done. So we can make it again, we can make it a little bit more advanced by doing like a split version, but we'll not split the image in half. So here you can see her hoodie is like half green and half blue. So we can split the image on the angle of this hoodie where this change is happening. So I'm just gonna go to the polygonal lasso tool here again and just click here, then here, here, and then click here, here, and then just complete the selection. So now I'm gonna go to the brush tool here again and select the mask. Make sure the foreground color is black, opacity 100, flow 100, and we're just gonna paint. Here you can see. So we have made like a split version of this on the angle of this hoodie. So this was it for this video, and I'll meet you in the next video.